Hello. If you're watching this, then this video is for you. Stick to the end of this video and I have something spectacular to offer you. Are you working day and night, but it's like you ain't even working at all? You have said to yourself, I think I need more jobs. How will people even get to discover my talents? You have even thought to yourself, am I not destined to be rich? Are you frustrated about the job you are doing currently, not able to make ends meet? You have thought about it and it's not coming together. The situation of this country is not even helping. Jobs are hard to find. Things can't keep going on like this. I am living from hand to mouth. I can't continue to live like this, you said to yourself. Well, we KFA have the key. We will teach you financial intelligence. Kingdom Forex Academy. The key to financial freedom. You may be thinking to yourself, how can I make money work for me? Can you really make money work for you? Yeah, you can earn thousands of dollars daily. You want your own house? You can get that dream house of yours. Drive luxurious cars? You can buy those luxurious cars. Join KFA on this journey, where you will be trained to trade the financial market and make thousands of dollars daily. Join our platforms on WhatsApp, YouTube, and Telegram. Register for our courses now, where you will work at your own leisure time. You won't have to wait for salary to live fine. You will have peace of mind and control millions. It's your time to rise. KFA.